How to backup Truecaller messages. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Truecaller. Once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right. After that, click on Settings. From here, click on Backup. You will get to this page right here where you will be able to back up your messages. Go ahead and turn on the backup option. As soon as you do that, it will connect to Google Drive. Once the backup option has been enabled, let's go through these options right here. Feel free to give SMS permission to backup SMS. Feel free to backup video attachments. Select a backup frequency. Select whether you want the backup to be over Wi-Fi or mobile data. The last option allows you to select a Google Drive account. Once you have gone through these options, go ahead and click on the Backup Now option. As soon as you do that, the backup will be performed and completed. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to backup Truecaller messages. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.